Hey everyone. Sorry for the bad audio, or maybe worse than usual audio, and the no production values less than even usual. I'm on vacation. Well, not vacation. I am traveling a bunch, and I'm in kind of a vacation-y, touristy spot without a lot of my usual kit, because I just came from DC and the Pentagon and other places where I couldn't have kit, and I came right down here to do a keynote, and the long of it is, and the short of it is, and the everything, I've had this in my bag for a while. Somebody, said, hey, have you ever heard of this hotel Addalock? Hey, Dave, you talk about hotel room doors, and Naomi, your friend, she did that whole video about hotel room doors. This is a real popular one on the market. I'm not going to lie. I picked it up from some damn vendor, probably Amazon, and I've never used it. And I said, you know what? Let me actually throw it in the door. And if you've never seen how this works, this element here is supposed to, when you open the door, go into the strike plate, because obviously the strike plate has holes into the door frame, and then once the door shuts, you come around and with some sort of little adjustomatic process, you kind of wedge the door to prevent the door from opening. Immediately, I noticed a problem, and I'm wondering how many of you will notice a problem when we try to install this. So you gotta take this John, and you go ahead and you slap-a-roo right where the latch work would go, right? I mean, you could try to slap it up here. Maybe that's what they want you to do. We got either of these two holes, right? And you're gonna lock this in when you're done. But has anyone spotted the problem yet? Let's see if you can spot the problem over here. Your choices are to go ahead and install this so it's over the latch or it's over the deadbolt. Yeah, have you figured out the problem yet? Installing, at least on this style, and frankly one of the most common commercial styles of door, installing an Addalock prevents any of the throw of the bolt works. The only way, conceivable way you could use this that would actually function would be to shove it up here, right? So let's say we go ahead and put it in the strike plate over here. We were to get this up in here. Right now it is anchored in, okay? And sure enough, like that's there. That's how you're supposed to do this. So you might say, great, that's how it's supposed to work. Yeah, you can't open the door, right? Is it working? Is it awesome? No, it's not. If you actually look, the deadbolt can't throw. The only thing holding this door shut is the latch. The deadbolt is not there at all. And the crazy thing about that, on this style of mechanism, if the deadbolt is not thrown, the lock, the whole mechanism doesn't understand that the door is supposed to be secured right now. So you actually don't even have a dead latching function, right? The only thing protecting you is this little spring latch if you're using an Addalock. Now, can someone come through with a traveler hook? Not from the outside of the door, obviously. Door shim, you could get that in there. We're gonna screw around with this a little bit, but the last key thing is that I'm pretty sure you could just muscle this open if you were to kind of spring that or even have any kind of access on the outside. We're gonna do a quick test.
It looks pretty good. You can do your thing now.
All right, I'm gonna try to see if shimming will even get in there. Which immediately worked. Now, of course, the Addalock is in the way, right?
You think so? Ah! Fuck me.
Good job. So, yeah, Addalock. Am I calling this a turd of a product? Not exactly, right? There's got to be a place for it. And that place looks to be residential environments where the standard sort of, you've seen strike plate holes and plungers that are this size, that's in a home. Use this in your house, use this in your bedroom if you've got, creepy roommates or something, or move, I guess. But in a commercial space, I found this to be very informative. I'm not bagging on them. I'm not saying this is a terrible thing. It's just very ill-suited, I fear, to the environment where a lot of people are probably using it. I don't have a giveaway this week. Should I give away the Addalock to somebody? What do you want this? Yeah. You know what? Because I'm not going to have use for it. I live in a safe place, so I don't need it on my bedroom. And in hotels, we've established I can't use it there. But if you would like it, yeah, why not? You guys know the giveaway. Sign up. One of you can win the Addalock with bonus bendy bits after I have give her a little what for. But, maybe you live somewhere where you could use it. Maybe you want to do more testing. Maybe you want to do some fungineering on this metal and make it actually fit a commercial strike and deadbolt and stuff. That would be awesome. Do that. Send me a video about it. I'll tell everybody to check out your channel or some shit. Yeah, that's what we got today. Again, I'm sorry, I'm out of town. We'll have much more fun stuff coming up when I'm back. I've got a whole bunch more tubular things. I've got a lot to show you about the TSA, man. Oh my God. So many weird things and fun things and good stories and some more recordings in airports. Got all that coming up. And in the meantime, wherever you go, please, whether or not you use an Addalock or a deadbolt strap or just have a friend sleeping in the bed next to you who can keep an eye on the door, stay safe out there.